Our body is a magnificent piece of engineering, and we just don't know how to use it. If only we knew how to use it, we would be stronger, we would be faster. We have no idea what we can really do, and it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. This training is not hard work down the gym, beat yourself up. This training is internal awareness. You just got to do a bit of mental work. You've got to look at yourself inside, feel yourself and work it out. If you can get the alignment right, you will see the strength build easily. The strength increases and the effort reduces. Hi there, welcome to Body Efficiency Training. And this training is really all about Qi, the mysterious life force energy. And the thing about Qi is we sort of all know that there's an energy around us, but we don't really think about it. And we don't wonder, why can we not feel it? We should be able to feel this energy. If energy is all around us, energy is in us and passing through us, why do we not feel it? Why can we not get some of this energy? Why are we getting tired? And the main reason is we don't know how to use our body properly. The body is the key, hence I've called this Body Efficiency Training. And the key is, if we can align our body properly, the Qi, the energy, flows through better. It's like electricity. An electrical current needs a circuit to flow through. If that circuit is broken, the electricity cannot flow and it cannot get to the place it needs to get to. It's the same with our body. We need to connect our body together so that the electricity can flow through. If this happens, everything else happens naturally. The electricity will go where it needs to go, healing will happen, strength will happen, whatever is needed comes from that electricity or that Qi. And it is real electricity, we're going to talk about that in time, but Qi ultimately is a mysterious force. It's not a physical force. It's a mysterious force because it's halfway between the unmanifest and the manifest. So we can't detect it physically, but we can detect the effects of it, and we can feel it, because feelings themselves are not physical, but we all have them. So feelings are the way in which we can connect to the Qi. In fact, Qi itself is a feeling, or feelings are Qi, or an experience of Qi, this life force energy. So what am I doing in this training? What makes this training so unique? Well, I'm doing exercises like everyone else, but my focus is on whole body power, whole body connection. Everything I do, I'm trying to connect my body together in the correct alignment for the thing I want to do. And I'm increasing the strength, but I'm reducing the effort. Now this is very hard to see and quite unique. Every exercise I do, I'm trying to make it easier, not harder. I'm trying to reduce the pain, not increase the pain. So this is nearly the opposite of everyone else. We have this no pain, no gain mentality. Well, mine is the opposite. No pain, more gain. Because ultimately this should be a pleasure. If Qi is flowing through your body, it feels good, it feels nice. We love it, we enjoy it. And training should be like that. We should love to train in our body. We all struggle to get to the gym, but wouldn't it be nice to look forward to it? Oh, I can't wait to get to the gym. It's a totally different feeling to, oh my God, I've got to get myself down the gym. So our goal is efficiency. Efficiency means greater strength, greater mobility, greater flexibility, greater speed, and reduced effort. And if we can reduce our effort right down to zero, well, we could even go to negative effort. What is negative effort? Well, negative effort would be pure pleasure. We just love it so much. And instead of losing energy, at the end, we have gained energy. So when we leave the gym or leave our exercise session, we actually are energized. There's more energy available to us. We're not tired and exhausted. We're buzzing, we're energized. And this will leach out into our life, every aspect of our life. But it all starts from the body. It all starts from in here. We've got to bring ourselves together. We have to become more efficient. You see, we waste energy all the time. Our mind, body and spirit, all three different things are all separate, doing something different. So we are disintegrated, we are separated. What we've got to do is pull ourselves together, concentrate ourselves, bring ourselves into a single unified being, and then do something from there. The exercise we do is not just in our body, it's in our mind and our spirit, and better way of saying it, it is in our soul. Because Qi, you can think of Qi as soul power. And our soul is that center point of our being. It is a midpoint between the unmanifest and the manifest. It is the point from which we experience life from which our decisions are made. And if our being is fragmented, our mind, our spirit is off somewhere, our mind is somewhere else, our body is somewhere else, there's no integration, there's a confusion. And what we want is an integration, a harmony, and a balance within ourselves. And that is ultimately efficiency. That is the most efficient way of being. Although I'm training exercises that you will recognize, I'm doing calisthenics, I'm doing martial arts, I'm doing functional training, things like sitting in a chair, going up and down stairs. We'll be working on the primal squat. Squatting is very, very important, how to squat properly. We'll be doing all sorts of different things, but the approach is very different. The approach is for whole body power, integration of chi, and ultimately body efficiency. And this will lead us to a stronger, more mobile, more fluid body with less and less effort. In other words, a greater pleasure in life and in being in our body. And you could say the ultimate goal or the ultimate achievement is snake-style Kung Fu, for want of a better way of saying it. I say this in different ways. There's different ways I could say this. But it's not a particular style of Kung Fu. It's the ability to use your body like a snake, moving fluidly. Your body is integrated as a structure. There's a tension there, but a correct tension in the joints. And then you can move through the structure in waves and coils like a snake. Now this is very, very efficient. You can create whips down your body to allow a transmission of force. Lift things up, put things down, move things around, because you integrated your entire body as a single unit, and you're using that unit to transmit the force that you need. So household chores become very, very easy. Whatever you've got to do becomes easy. And it should be. Our body is a magnificent piece of engineering, and we just don't know how to use it. If only we knew how to use it, we would be stronger, we would be faster. We have no idea what we can really do. And it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. This training is not hard work down the gym, beat yourself up. This training is internal awareness. You just got to do a bit of mental work. You've got to look at yourself inside, feel yourself, and work it out. If you can get the alignment right, you will see the strength build easily. The strength increases and the effort reduces. And remember, we want to get to zero and even negative effort, which is just pure pleasure. So we're going to do a lot in this channel, so please do like and subscribe and help me boost the algorithm. Share this with anyone you think might be interested. We've got a long way to go, and I plan to keep this going indefinitely, so there's a lot of stuff coming. I'll have different things. We will do demonstrations, we'll do follow-along exercises, we'll do simple ones, more complex ones, and I'll have lectures and talks on various aspects to this, because we need to understand it. We need to understand the nature of chi, the nature of the universe, and how our body really works. It still amazes me, with all the stuff we supposedly know, we don't really know how our body works, and we don't really know how the universe works. And they're quite simple. It's quite simple, but we're just not aware of it. So I've got to talk a lot about this. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.